The BMW G23 series, launched in 2019, is the latest evolution of BMW's most famous model. Bigger, more high-tech, and more refined than ever. But is it still the ultimate driving machine? Before you buy one, here's everything you need to know. The G20 grew in size compared to the older F30. It's longer, wider, and built on BMW's CLAR platform, the same one used for the larger 5 and 7 series. That means a stiffer chassis and better refinement. The design is sharper too, with slim LED headlights, a more aggressive stance, and larger kidney grills. Some say the grills are controversial, but the G20 keeps the classic 3 Series silhouette that drivers recognize instantly. Under the hood, the lineup starts with the 330i, powered by BMW's 2.0-liter turbocharged B48 4-cylinder. It makes around 255 horsepower, giving strong performance while staying efficient. The 330e plug-in hybrid adds an electric motor for short EV driving and combined output near 288 horsepower. But the star of the show is the M340i, running the legendary 3.0-liter B58 inline-6 with 382 horsepower. This engine has quickly earned a reputation as one of BMW's best modern power plants. Every G20 comes with the smooth 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, with a choice of rear-wheel drive or X-Drive all-wheel drive. Inside, the G20 marks a huge step forward from the F30. You get BMW's Live Cockpit Professional, with a full digital gauge cluster, plus the iDrive 7 or 8 infotainment system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, and higher trims offer a head-up display, ambient lighting, and premium Harman Kardon audio. You can even get tech like gesture control, adaptive cruise with lane keeping, and laser headlights. It feels like a true bridge between luxury and cutting-edge technology, while still keeping BMW's driver-focused feel. In terms of reliability, the G20 is still new, but here's what we know so far. The B48 and B58 engines are holding up very well, with far fewer issues than BMW's older turbo engines. Early cars had some software glitches in iDrive and the digital cluster, but most are fixed with updates. The 330e plug-in hybrid could face higher long-term costs with battery replacements, so that's worth considering. Otherwise, as long as you stick to BMW-approved fluids and keep up with regular service, the G20 has proven much more dependable than older generations. Ownership costs are what you'd expect from a modern luxury sedan. Insurance and repairs aren't cheap, but they're comparable to rivals like Audi and Mercedes. Used G20s are still expensive because they're the current generation. A used 330i typically sits well above the outgoing F30, and the M340i commands premium prices. That said, the M340i might actually be the smartest buy, because the B58 engine combines performance and reliability in a way few luxury cars can match. You're paying more up front, but long-term, it could be the better deal. So, should you buy one? The G20 BMW 3 Series blends sharp handling, strong turbo engines, and modern technology into one of the best sports sedans on sale today. If you can stretch for the M340i, you'll get a daily driver that many consider the sweet spot of modern BMW. Which BMW generation do you prefer? The classic E30, the F30, or this latest G20? Drop your answer in the comments.